Hello, this is Stefan from Syntrol. I would like to welcome you to our tutorial about our DustTool parametration and monitoring software. DustTool supports all Windows versions starting from Windows Vista and can be freely downloaded from our webpage. The system requirements are pretty minimal so that any somewhat up-to-date Office PC can handle the job. So let's start doing that. Centralproducts.com. Now we navigate to Products and Software. Here we see DustTool, the product details. The software can be downloaded here. Let's do that. Alright, download has been completed. Now we run the installer. An older version of DustTool is installed. Click OK to remove. Good, let's do that. We uninstall. Welcome to DustTool setup. Here are our license agreements. I agree. Choose install location. That's okay. Next. Choose start menu folder. That's also okay. Now it starts installing and is already completed. Now it wants to run DustTool and create a desktop shortcut. I think that's okay. So finally, it's asking me to create a master password, which you should remember because you will need it to access certain parts of DustTool and lock it and operate it properly. Now let's key in here. Password. Okay. Take a while. Waiting for Syntrol device to be plugged into your USB port. So now DustTool is ready to use. If you now plug in your USB cable or your RS485 to USB converter, DustTool will immediately connect to your device. Let's do that. Here we can see that it's now connected to an S304 with the serial number 700-559-774. So we do this tutorial on base of this instrument. Note that other instruments like the Dumo or the Snifter may have a little bit a different configuration here, but still all basic principles and majority of the buttons are everywhere the same. DustTool is divided into 6 different tabs: parameter, calibration, properties, auto setup, commands, and monitor. Each tab has the same configuration and layout. On the left-hand side, you can see which device is at the moment connected. In our case, it's the Syntrol demo device. On the bottom, you have information what kind of a device it is. In our case, it's an S304 with a little picture and the serial number on the right-hand side. In the middle of each tab, you have tab-specific fields and informations. And on the bottom, this is something I want to point out. You have additional information when you hover over the different fields and inputs. As you can see, it gives you additional information on each field. On the top right corner, we have the About, Help, Settings, and Close button. The About button is giving you information about the software version, and below you will find license information about DustTool and other third-party softwares or libraries which we have used. The Help button requires a connection to the internet, as it will try to download you the manuals for the devices which are at the moment connected. So let's say here, update downloads. Here we see it found the S304 version 2.5. We double click here. It will upload that manual, and if you click it, you can view the latest manual. If you click on Settings, it will first ask you about your network, and in case if your network requires the usage of a proxy server, you can fill in your settings here. In our case, there is no proxy. Then the software updates are divided in check updates and check config. If you press check updates, it will look for a new release of the software itself. If you click update config, it will download new configuration files in case that Syntrol has launched or released a new device. Let's do that quickly. Check updates. No updates found. We are up to date. Okay. If we click update config, that will take a while, and as I know that we are more or less complete here, I don't follow this to the end. Then the master password you can change here, entering the current password and typing a new one. Oops. Okay, now I've changed the password. Yeah, by the way, in case that you completely forgot your password and you cannot access DustTool at all, the by far easiest way to retrieve your password is to simply download the software again. This will not change anything on your device. All information is stored on the device itself. So DustTool doesn't store anything. Even if you download a new, completely new software, all information will be kept and you can just proceed as you have done before. Then next, the language. This is at the moment American English only. And again on the bottom we have the Hubover field.